Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Cordyceps liquid culture. To begin, gather your essential supplies such as a pressure cooker, sterile jars, and a still air box. Thoroughly clean all your equipment to prevent contamination. Next, sterilize your liquid culture medium and all tools in a pressure cooker for at least 30 minutes at 15 pounds per square inch. This crucial step ensures a clean slate for your Cordyceps to thrive. Now, let's prepare the nutrient-rich liquid culture medium. In a clean container, combine 100 grams of dextrose, which is a simple sugar, with 5 grams of malt extract. Then, add 500 milliliters of distilled water to this mixture. Stir thoroughly until all ingredients are fully dissolved. Finally, adjust the pH level to approximately 6.5 using a pH meter and a few drops of acid or base, ensuring ideal conditions for your Cordyceps. With your sterile medium ready, it's time for inoculation. Perform this step in a highly sterile environment, like a still air box or a laminar flow hood, to prevent contamination. Carefully open your Cordyceps culture and transfer a small, healthy piece of mycelium into the sterile liquid medium using a sterilized scalpel or needle. Immediately recap the jar and gently swirl it to evenly distribute the mycelium throughout the solution. After inoculation, incubate your liquid culture at a consistent temperature of 22 degrees Celsius or 72 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 2 weeks. During this period, you should observe clear, healthy mycelial growth, appearing as cloudy white strands in the solution. Once fully colonized, your liquid culture is ready for use. Store the finished product in a refrigerator where it can remain viable for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.